Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Faraz Ahmed, and today in this video I am going to discuss some important things regarding the letter writing. So we will discuss two things here. One is when and how to use these Miss and Mrs, Miss and MS, and second thing we will discuss that if a child is either 16 or less than 16, he is male or female, then what we will mention about them. So let's move to the topic without wasting our time. So that keep in mind that Mr, Mrs, Miss and MS are mostly used here in the address of the letter and in the introduction paragraph of the letter. So you can see here that in the address we mention in the reference Mr. Lino David, okay, and we also mention in the introduction of the letter and subsequent paragraph as well. So now I will tell you that where we will use Mr, where we will use Mrs, and where MS. So first is if a child is 16 or less than 16, either child is male or female, there is no need to use any Mr, Mrs, Miss. So nothing is used. Okay, simply we will write patient name, child name, either it's a male or female. I have given the example. You can see I am writing to refer Emma Johnson. We haven't used any Mr. or Mrs. here. An 11-year-old child whose features are suggestive of this and this. Simply, child is 16 or less than 16, no need to use Mr, Mrs or Miss. Let's move forward. When we will use Mr, guys, keep in mind that Mr is always used for men, either married or unmarried. It should be more than 16, but either married or non-married, we will use Mr with the male. Okay, it should be more than 16. So like as we have written, I am writing to refer Mr. Walker, a 40-year-old. So we have written Mr because he is married, and 16, it's more than 16. It doesn't depend either married or unmarried. Let's move forward. When we will use Mrs, so keep in mind that it is used for married woman, either widow. Okay, once a woman is married, we will use Mrs with the name of that woman. Either she is still married or she is widow, we will definitely use Mrs with that woman. I have given the example. I am writing this letter to refer Mrs. Sharma, a retired clerk by profession, for this and this. Okay, Miss. So Miss is used for the young girls or unmarried women. Please keep in mind a woman or girl should be more than 16 and she should be unmarried. Okay, if woman is more than 16 and she is unmarried, definitely we will use Miss for her. I am writing to refer Miss Jolie, a 23-year-old student. Definitely she would be unmarried, so we have used this word Miss. So please keep in mind a male more than 16, either married or unmarried, we will use Mr. A female more than 16, she should be married once in the life, we will use Mrs. A female more than 16 but she is still single, she is unmarried, we will use Miss. Okay, let's move forward. So basically MS is used, you can use this MS for both married and single women. You can use for both of them. It's totally up to you. It's your choice. If you want to use this word for married woman, you can use. If you want to use this word for single woman, you can use. So we have given the example here as well. So this was all guys from this video. So at the end I would like to book for OET. So this is our very first book for doctors and nurses. You can order this book and delivery is available across the world. You can WhatsApp number is given here, so the book will be delivered on your doorstep. Thank you so much for watching this video.